Hi there. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan in kind of a new avatar. And today we are going to, talk about why AI powered programming is the future. And this is pretty cool, in fact, because when we are talking about artificial intelligence, powered programming. It's pretty cool, in fact, because now there are some AI tools where it can write 8 lakh lines of code in minutes. Typically, this can be applied to even Python or Java or whatever it is. It can write 8 lakh lines of code. That's impossible, and it can do it in a jiffy. And it can then evaluate that code, test the code, and in fact after testing the code it can deploy completely published application also, which is kind of pretty cool, right? It's kind of pretty interesting too. So this is the kind of technology that is already existing. For example, you can look at tools like code bots, CODEBOTS, where it is like really cool, guys. You just Google for code bots, you'll understand about that kind of technology. And also when we are looking at people have asked me why, sir, why Srinidhi, sir, in terms of looking at Code Canyon and Theme Forests, which are some amazing places where you can find a lot of themes. You can find a lot of plugins. You can find a lot of content where you can reuse applications. Why are you only using that? I'll tell you that Code Canyon Theme Forests are really great kind of theme hub where you can get all the kinds of themes, all the kinds of what do you call as the code. And then once you want to customize the code, you need to have a domain. Once you have a domain, you need to have a hosting. A hosting provider. You can look at whatever hosting provider that you want, but once you have all that, you can just go ahead and customize it. If you know a developer, you can use that particular developer's services and customize it. Or if you have no idea about how to develop and all this stuff, then you look at great programs that can autonomously edit and publish code. And there are also tools for database generation, and those are pretty cool. And you can even turn a Google Sheet into a kind of a website. There are some great tools that help you in that regard. Google Sheets would become kind of a website. That's also pretty cool. So you can just populate say Google Sheets, and it autonomously becomes kind of a directory or something like that. And there are some really great tools where it'll help you to even create a social network. And that's pretty cool, right? Because you can create a social network similar to the top giant social networks which are there, and then you have to market it from scratch, right? So this may also help in the great making you feel pretty great, making you feel pretty awesome, being called a social network owner. Okay, so that's what really matters. And then you when you own the social network, you have your own rules, you have your own terms and all the stuff, and you can work on towards that. So that works pretty cool too. And some of these websites can be converted into app. When you Google for convert a website into app, you'll find a lot of tools that convert a website into an app in minutes. So even you can convert your YouTube channel into an app, or you can even convert a lot of podcasts that you have. Maybe you own 2 or 3 podcasts and you put it into a website. You can convert their website to an app. And there are tools which can embed YouTube videos into a website, and then you convert that to an app to get views, to skyrocket views. That also works pretty cool. So the future of programming is only in relying on these kind of artificial intelligence technology tools, along with the knowledge of programming, which can become both, when you master it, can pave the path to become a superpower, believe it or not, for you. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing out from a great new avatar, a kind of a futuristic robot. Bye bye for now.